This is Cyber Brief. Your phone number can be stolen without anyone touching your phone. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how it happens and how to stop it. Picture this. An attacker already knows your name, your carrier, maybe your address, scraped from an old data breach. They call your mobile carrier, pretend to be you, claim they lost their phone, ask to activate your number on a new SIM card. The carrier rep asks a few verification questions. The attacker answers them. Done. Within minutes, your number is ringing on their device. Your phone? It just quietly goes dead. No signal, no explanation. Then the attacker opens your Gmail, hits forgot password, and the reset code gets texted straight to them. Your email is gone, then your bank, then anything else tied to that number. This attack is called a SIM swap. A SIM card is the tiny chip that links your phone to your number, swap it, and the number follows. The attacker isn't hacking a server or cracking encryption. They're just convincing a human at your carrier to hand your number over. Once they control the number, every SMS one-time code, those 6-digit texts banks and email providers send to prove it's you, goes to them instead of you. Your phone number was supposed to be a security check. Instead, it became the master key. Most people assume, if someone doesn't have my phone, they can't get my codes. Completely reasonable and completely wrong. The codes don't come from your physical device. They come from your number. Whoever owns that number receives those texts, no matter what device it's on. The phone in your pocket is irrelevant the moment your number is rerouted. Here's the mental model. Your phone number is not a password, it's a mailing address. Anyone who redirects that address gets your mail, so stop using it as a security factor. First, call your carrier and set a port-out PIN or account passcode. This means no one can move your number without a secret code only you know. Second, go into every important account and replace SMS recovery with an authenticator app, which generates codes locally on your actual device, or passkeys, which don't use codes at all. If the option to remove your phone number as a login recovery method exists, use it. The goal is making sure your number being stolen means nothing to an attacker. Your phone number is a weak security factor. Move to an authenticator app, set a carrier PIN. Treat your number like the public information it actually is. Cyber threats don't wait. Neither should you. Subscribe.